Is a $20 breather off Amazon really worth it? Or should you buy something you know is going to be good? Let's find out. And there you go. Super quick, super easy. The only thing I had to do on mine, this little bitty shield was right around the electric choke. It was up just a bit too high and was causing a little bit of interference. I couldn't see that it was actually doing anything, so I just removed the shield real quick, installed the breather, and I think it looks way better. Now time will tell if this thing holds up or if it falls apart and Amazon stuff was just super cheap, or if it was actually worth it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you next time.